And boom, there we got it open. It wasn't too bad. Okay, what we have here is a YALE 630-50 series fixed cylinder right hand lock. Typically a gate lock here in the country that I live in. A lot of times they put them on their front doors. It's like a metal gate over the front door, but this is a very common lock here. So I do believe that this YALE will have at least 2, possibly 3, no more than 4 spools, anti-pick pins. So we're going to do something a little bit different. And let me go ahead and get this in a vise. Let me check, make sure the key works. Key works. Both sides. We're going to pick this side here. And okay, so we have 6 pins. So yeah, at least 2, no more than 4 anti-pick pins. Okay, 6 pins there. Okay, we got it in the vise here. Let's clamp it down. There's the key there. And so what we're going to do is put a piece of tape on it so I can demonstrate the counter rotation needed to work a anti-pick pin, and specifically a spool. I do believe these will be spools. I don't think they'll be serrated. The anti-pick pins will be spools. So we'll be able to see how that spool is dealt with based off of how that tape moves, or how the cylinder moves, and it'll be highlighted by the tape. Okay. All right, so let's get going. Pretty tight keyway. Okay, so pin 1, standard pin. Pin 2. I always like to try and I go back and forth on the pins a couple times, and okay, boom. You see there we have, that's clearly a false set that's in a spool. So we're going to have to. I keep high tension when I'm okay. I'm trying to get some counter rotation. And when I'm controlling a anti-pick pin or a spool or a false set, I like to put a little more tension on it, and as I manipulate the pin, I'll ease off the tension, but I'm careful not to lose the pins that I've already have at shear line. I don't want to make 1 gain and lose 3 gains. Okay, you see the counter rotation there a little bit. Okay, and we come back. Okay, all right, we're in the we're at the shear line there. You're moving on. Okay, and there we go. So I only saw, I believe we only had 2 spools in here, or if we had more spools, I didn't see it. But here's another representation of that. So we're in the false set there. It makes you feel good, but it doesn't do anything for you. Okay, it's actually binding you up. So we're going to see a little counter rotation, and then 1 more counter rotation. Okay, now we're at shear line. All right, thank you very much. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. And that's all I have for today.